Hello students, welcome to you all back to the second class of class 6 geography. In the first class we discussed about the celestial bodies like star, galaxy, constellation, solar system and about the planets and their movement. But students, today we will focus on the other celestial bodies like moon, asteroids, meteoroids, satellites, comets, falling star and about the planet Earth, which is our own planet. So first we'll talk about the planet Earth. Students, you all know that it is the planet where the life is exist, and it is the third planet from the sun. First, Mercury, then Venus, and then our Earth. It is the fifth largest planet by its size. It takes 24 hours to rotate once by its own axis and takes 365 days and 6 hours to rotate once around the sun, which is also known as one Earth year. The Earth is a unique planet because it has some favorable conditions to support life, and there first, the Earth is neither too cold or not too hot also. It is a planet having water and air. Two-thirds of the Earth's surface is covered with water. The Earth appears blue if seen from the outer space. That is why it is also called a blue planet. The third one is the blanket of air around the Earth, called atmosphere, has gases such as oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and ozone, which are also essential for animal and plant life. And the last one is the land and the soil on the earth support plant life as well as other living beings. So that's all about the planet Earth. Now we'll discuss about another celestial body, that is moon. Moon is Earth's natural satellite. It is the second brightest object in the sky. The surface of the moon is rocky. Recent studies have confirmed that our moon does have a very thin atmosphere consisting of some unusual gases, including sodium and potassium, which are not found in the atmosphere of Earth. Even there is no water-like liquid and oxygen. As the moon has no light of its own, so it reflects the light received by it from the sun, and as the facing side of the moon is always to the sun, so we always see only one side of the moon. Next we will discuss about the asteroids and meteoroids. Students, asteroids are large number of rocky bodies revolving around the sun, whether meteoroids are small pieces of rock or metal-like debris which travel outer space and travel around the sun also. As the asteroids are too small to be called planets, they are also known as planetoids. But in the matter of meteoroids, it is believed that some of the smaller meteoroids may come from Moon or Mars. Now we'll look about the falling star and comet, which are also the celestial bodies in this universe. When meteoroids falls into the Earth's surface, it begins to heat up and glow, and it is called meteor. Actually, we are seeing the meteors to fall, whom we say also falling star. But a comet is an icy small body revolving around the sun. When it passes closer to the sun, it heats up and makes us visible. Sometimes we see a tail also, though this tail illuminated by the sun. There are two types of comet. One is periodic and the other one is non-periodic. Halley is an example of comet which can be seen once in 75.32 years, which is very strange to all of us. Now students, will discuss about the last one in this chapter, that is satellite, which is also a celestial body. Students, satellite is a celestial body that revolves around the planet. Moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. There are many moons of the other planets. Like you know that Mars has 2 satellites, Uranus has 27, Neptune has 14, Jupiter has 67, and Saturn has 62 natural satellites. Mercury and Venus do not have any satellites. There are one kind of satellite also which is known as man-made satellites, which is made by the human being. It is an artificial satellite which is carried by a rocket and placed in the orbit around the Earth. These satellites are used for communication or to gather information about the universe. As of 2011, there were 931 operational man-made satellites orbiting the Earth. Earth's largest artificial satellite is the International Space Station. There are many satellites which have been launched by the Indians like INSAT, EDUSAT and IRS. That is a matter of pride to all of us. So that's all about this chapter, students. I hope you all understood. If you have any problem, we will discuss later when we will meet in the school. Okay, that's all about this chapter. Thank you very much.